Hey guys, it's Friday again, and you know what that means? It's time for another episode of ClickTips. ClickTips are where we give you quick tips that'll make you more productive throughout your day. So this week we actually have two things for you. So the first of which is going to be copying multiple lines into subtasks. So you see here we have two lines. If we go here and paste them into the subtask, it's going to give you this little notification that's going to say multiple lines detected. So just go ahead and click Create Two Subtasks. Boom, there you go. That's going to save you a lot of time if you're transferring over a lot of subtasks. Now the other thing that we have is the Multitask Toolbar. And I know what you might be thinking, Zach, I already know about the Multitask Toolbar. Well, this is actually the Multitask Toolbar for Subtasks. So if we come over here and we select both of these, you'll see here that it gives us this menu where we can change a lot of different things. So, we can set watchers for these subtasks, set assignees, set statuses, set tags, move subtasks, set due dates, set priority. So, if it's urgent priority, just go ahead and flag them both quickly and then, remove tasks. So this is really, really useful if you're somebody who has a lot of different people working on a lot of different subtasks. It makes it a lot easier to kind of go ahead and manage everything and make sure that you don't have to go through them individually to set things up. But that's all I got for you this week, guys, and stay tuned for next week's. Have a great weekend.